and distance. Question number 65. A monkey climbing up a pole ascends 6 meters and slips 3 meters in alternate minutes. If the pole is 60 meters high, how long will it take the monkey to reach the top?
Next question is 65 question. A monkey climbing up the pole ascends 6 meter and slip 3 meter in alternative minutes in the pole 60 meter high. How long will it take the monkey to reach the top? This is my question and solution. Climb 6 meter, slip 3 meter, net gain 3 meter every 2 minutes. Means every 2 minutes increase the value. Total weight 60 minutes. Understand the trick. Last climb, money reach the top, won't sleep. Next, distance before final climb. 60 minus 6 equal to 54 meter. Number of cycles. 54 divided by 3 equal to 80 cycle. Each cycle 2 minutes. So 18 into 2 equal to 36 minutes. Final climb 1 minute plus 1 minute means increase 1 minute. 36 plus 1 equal to 37 minutes. This is my final answer. Solve these questions.